And girl, that hair was dancing. That hair was dancing. It was moving, just... It looked like Beyonce hair on stage because, you know, Beyonce always got 45 fans on her. That's what it looked like. Look at it. It's still doing it.
You're my king. You're my king. Ooh, king. Yeah. You're my king. Come to king.
What's up, y'all? Today is Wednesday. It's your girl, BRE.iSH, and welcome to the BRE.iSH. Today, I have a really quick video for you guys where we're going to look at this hair on my head here from Kendra'S boutique and figure out if it is the BRE.iSH or if it needs to hit the freeway. So I'm not gonna really waste too much time. I'm gonna dive straight in. I do want to say that I paid for this hair out of my pocket, deep out of my pocket. So this is the truth, and this is what I really just think and feel, along with the facts about the hair from the webpage that they, you know, say, and the stuff that they say you should do, and blah 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 blah. And also, I'm gonna say some things that I like and don't like, and how I feel they could have been done to make them better. I'm just gonna go, okay? I have my iPad here with a couple of notes. If y'all see me looking down, I am just reading, okay? So, this hair is the 100% virgin Brazilian pre-plucked full lace unit in the color of 613 platinum blonde. It is 22 inches. The texture is natural straight. It is 150% density, has a medium cap size, and also the website says it's very high maintenance hair because this is not its natural color. It is bleached, and they recommend that you put oil on it every day and wash it every week and condition it just to make sure that you can get the full use out of it, because I guess it gets dry since it's bleached. You know, take care of bleached hair how you would take care of your hair if it was bleached, pretty much. So those are the facts that they say on the website about the hair. Now let's get into the real stuff, and that is what I think. Okay, so when I bought this hair out of the package, of course it came straight because it's a straight wig, so that makes sense, right? It's straight hair, it came straight, except for this part right here was like puffy, like up to here puffy, and then everything else was really good. The ends, oh my god, can I tell you that when I took the hair out of the package, I immediately fell in love with the ends. They were together and kind of curled in this little notation. It was so pretty. It was so pretty. As soon as I took the hair out of the package, I shook it around like this, and girl, that hair was dancing. That hair was dancing. It was dancing. It was pretty. As far as the shedding goes, I don't really have too much shedding. I'm actually gonna run my fingers through right now and just see. Let's go again. I'm not trying to get anything, but if I do, I will show you. Running my hands through. Okay, so let's do it again. I didn't get any hair. There's no hair, nothing falling. That means no shedding. That means that there's not that much shedding, and shedding is not something that you would really have to worry about with this hair. Capsize. One thing that I actually don't like about this unit is the cap size. Okay, so as I stated earlier, the website says that the cap size is medium, and a medium cap size is all I need, because I have so many other wigs, and medium cap size is usually what I get for my wigs. I have a dome, y'all, and I need a medium cap size, and I honestly can't say that this is a medium cap size because I had some difficulty putting it on. Usually, okay, so y'all, before I start talking about this and my troubles, I want to say there are two combs here, a comb here, and a comb in the back that you attach in the back. Now, Usually when I put my wigs on, I attach my back comb and I stretch the wig over like this and fit it into place and get everything good, right? Pow, stick them combs, do. Everything's great, right? Not with this one. Not at all with this one. I actually had to reverse my process and stick my front combs first and then glue this down and then stretch it to the back, mostly because when I attached it to the back first and stretched it forward, I had a tough time making it meet my hairline.
I have a dome, y'all.
But yeah, so that was the only real problem that I had with the Capsize. What I did like was that it was already kind of fitted to my sideburn area. I just had to cut the space for my ear out, this back part right here. And that made it a lot easier. I could just glue it down first and then kind of just boop, cut the ear out, and it was that simple. So that's what I do like about the cap. The simplicity and how easy it is to get it on your head without having to do, you know, pretty much art. The lace tint. I'm not gonna say that I didn't like it, but I'm not too fond of the color that the lace is tinted. On the website, it said that the lace tint was medium to dark. So I trusted that, and of course, it was a light skin color. As usual, I am dark skinned, so I went in with a little bit of makeup in the front to kind of make it look natural. But I do regret that. I probably should have gotten like the lace tint spray and sprayed the entire inside of the cap just so the whole thing could be one color, because now at the back of my part, we got like I'm white in the back right here and everything else is brown. So it's kind of, you know, like it doesn't really match, but that's okay, because what is you looking at my part for anyway? Right, that part. The hair quality, you guys, when I tell y'all that this is some quality hair, okay, Kendra spared no expense on hair quality because this hair is so good. And in my entire lifetime of wearing wigs and lace fronts and, you know, that type of stuff, this is like the best hair that I've ever had. And there's only ever been, you know, like one other set of hair that equaled this. But this is really great hair and I really love it so much. It is fantastic. Texture is just perfect, okay? That's all I have to say, is just perfect. This gets flat, it gets bone straight. This is flat ironed, but this is not the straightest that it can get. I do have a video of me flat ironing it and I will put that in. Hair density in comparison to fullness. Now, as I mentioned before, the density of this hair is 150%. What? 150% density. And I can say that each strand is kind of thick, like it gives it a thickness. Like it looks so pretty in a ponytail. It's so thick, a nice size ponytail. But when you wear this hair straight like I am now, it looks a little empty. It just kind of feels like it's missing something. Like this is literally all of the hair. Like this is it. There's nothing else. The thickness of the strands kind of makes up for the lack of hair. And it's not, you know, like it's not bald, it's not missing anything. It's just not really that much hair on here. That's just what it is. As we've come to the point in the video where we have to decide if this hair meets the BRE.iSH standard or if it gotta hit the freeway, if it gotta go. Get the step in hair. I think this hair definitely meets the BRE.iSH quality, the BRE.iSH standard, and what I like to have on my head for hair. Aside from the small problems like the Capsize and the lace tint that I had, I really enjoy this unit so much, and I do actually recommend, if you can afford to pay basically $600 for this hair, go for it, girl, because you will not be disappointed. The $600 will not go to waste. And if you know, take the care of it like they say on the website, wash it weekly, deep condition it, you can get about a good 2.5 years out of this. I would definitely say that you can get a 2.5 years before it, you know, starts shriveling up and shedding up. But if you actually really take good care of it, you'll be fine. It's great. I love it, and it's just great. That's all I can say.
You're my king.